Hi, today let's make street style paneer chili recipe. Very simple to make. First you need to take paneer cubes like this and let's marinate it with some salt, then goes in some pepper powder along with Kashmiri powder. Don't add any water. Let's marinate it and keep it for just 10 minutes and then take a pan, add in oil and then let's fry the paneer. Here I'm not deep frying, just shallow frying it. It gives a nice crispy taste to the paneer. The paneer needs to be fried really very well. Now you'll know when it's ready. When you get this brown thingy, that means the paneer is ready. Let's make our sauce mix. In a bowl, add in tomato ketchup, add in dark soy sauce, green chili sauce, vinegar, a little bit of pepper powder. Give it a good mix. You can see the measurement and the ingredients on the screen. Now let's keep our sauce mix aside. In a pan, add in oil. Once the oil has heated, I've added in chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped garlic. I've added in spring onion shallots and then onions, which is cut in the petal shape like that, along with some colored capsicum like yellow and red. If you want, you can add in the green. I didn't have it, so I skipped it. Add in your sauce mix. Toss it on a high flame. Don't keep it for a long time because we need to keep the crispiness of the veggies. Add in hot water, add in a little bit of sugar, add in a little bit of pepper and give it a good mix. Next I'm adding in the fried paneer to the sauce mix and give it a good mix. See to that the paneer is beautifully covered with the sauces. Next I've added in some cornflour slurry and then, as I said, keep it on a high flame. Finally finish it off with some spring onions and then I like to add in some tossed sesame seeds. It gives a great flavor to our chili paneer recipe and then it's ready to serve. You can serve it hot. This tastes just like the street style Indo-Chinese paneer which you have. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy.